visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So, tingnan natin kung ano nangyayari sa paligid ha. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. And I want you to know that this is a timeless reading, so that whenever you see the video, the message is meant to find you. We have the Three of Wands, the Three of Cups, and the Two of Swords. Parang nawala dito yung communication. Maybe less or to the extreme of nawala na. It may be literal, no? Yung communication per se, yung nawala. Or it may be yung expressions of love. That's also way of communication, right? Expressing your love is communicating how you adore the person, how you love the person, how you can't live without the person. So with the Three of Cups in here, it felt like it could have been a good situation, a good experience if na-express ni person yung totoo niyang nararamdaman, or it could have been a great experience kung merong clarity, no? Kaso nga, pagdating dito sa, I feel like medyo nababawasan or pawala na or literal, wala na. So, let's check the Two of Swords with the Chariot and the Seven of Swords. So, parang feeling natin merong pumapasok, no? Na distraction. It can be a person, it can be a place, no? When we say a place, pwede itong nagpunta ng ibang lugar, and then a combination nga, no, baka nag-enjoy, pero baka may combination of other people, or it can be an event, no, situation, things per se. The bottom line is, itong si person is nawawala yung focus sa atin. And it felt like the communication is, yun nga, nawawala. With the Hierophant and the Queen of Swords, parang feeling mo nasasanay ka na, no? Meron ditong parang feeling niya naman hid ako, no? Kumbaga, oo, napapansin ko, nawawala yung communication, nawawala yung ating, expressions of love. Parang kibit balikat, yun ba yung tawag doon? Or tinahimik ko na lang yung aking bibig, no? Probably, sinabi ko rin yan sa'yo, no? Na parang napapansin ko yan when I was, nung nagsisimula pa lang, up until wala namang nagyayari, walang nagbabago. So, why would I, no? Parang ganun yung nangyari. Why would I repeat myself again, no? Parang redundant, repeat and again. Why would I repeat myself? Yun. Ngayon parang napapansin mo, you're becoming independent. Independent in a way na hindi mo na siguro, no, hinahanap madalas. So, hinahanap mo pa rin pero hindi na ganun kadalas. Kumbaga, you're also siguro, no, pinag-aaralan mo rin or tinuturuan mo yung sarili mo na, nawawala ito, no, mawawala yung communication, so might as well get used to it, no? With the Four of Cups and the King of Pentacles, Nangako si person. Siguro yung mga pangako niya sinabi natin sa sarili natin, eh, hindi lang ako naniniwala. No, actually, I'm not even looking back at it. It may be looking forward to it. It may be I'm not kinalimutan ko na rin, no? And that is intentional. Parang sinabi ko sa sarili ko, okay, hindi naman to mangyayari at hindi naman ako naniniwala na because, the mere fact that simple communication was gone. So, what am I expecting, 'di ba? So, pwedeng nag-promise si person na either kung nasa malayong lugar ito, babalikan kita, um, or meron tayong plans of putting the connection into another level, no? Or magsasama na tayo sa bahay, what have you, kung ano mang pangako ito, whether that is material, it could be spiritual, no, uh, moral talaga. Ano ba, relationship-wise, no, romantic-wise, parang sinasabi mo, hindi naman sa naghahanap ako, no, pero I'm losing faith doon sa sinasabi. With the world card, so the world card medyo nakakaano siya, nakakakaba kasi we don't know how the world will turn sa'yo. Yung kay person, pwede rin naman, pero ang balik nun is yung sa'yo eh. Yung sa'yo yung nakakatakot, no? Pag umikot yan, baka ikaw yung mawala. So, let's clarify the Four of Cups kasi the Four of Cups, ito yung sinasabing may binibigay or may sinasabi si universe sa'yo, but then again, you're keeping your blind eye back then. Probably unti-unti mo na nakikita yung enlightenment. But let's see here with the Four of Cups, the Death card, and the King of Cups. I feel like hindi lang ito isang beses nangyari. Etong ganitong mga ginagawa niya. It felt like kakausapin mo lang si person, babalik na naman. So parang sa'yo yung nandun ka sa loop and you don't want to parang return, no? Parang paulit-ulit lang tayo dito. Ayoko nang ibalik yung part na maniniwala na naman ako tapos uulitin na naman, mawawala na naman to. So, even the communications, the expressions of love, even, the gifts, calls, text, what have you, the Ten of Wands, and the Ace of Pentacles. So, parang sa'yo, naging stagnant na, no? Parang paulit-ulit lang din eh. Yung loop na sinasabi ko, isa lang yung sinasabi ng cards na nahihirapan kang paniwalaan yung sinasabi niya. Let's clarify with the Ten of Wands, with the Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles showed up and the World card again. So, imagine, no, the Ace of Pentacles nandito, the World card is here. Inulit nga, sabi sa'yo, paulit-ulit lang to eh. Parang, yung loop nga nandoon. No, sabihin natin, sige, nandun na yung loop. Dumating pa dun sa part na I feel like the Ace of Pentacles is more on you. Dumating na dun sa part na siguro by this year, I will try to forget everything. Pag binalik ni person din, salamat. No? Pero I'm no longer, ano yung tawag dito? Hindi na ako ganun umaasa. Hindi na ganun kalalim, no? Yung faith ko dito sa relationship. Yeah, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, I want you to know na kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron kayong question, no, personal man yan, or question ng ibang tao na gusto mong itanong, there is a link sa description box ng video na ito. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun na rin po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign now. This can be your person's sun sign, or a placement in their chart, the sun, moon, rising, or syempre reading mo to, pwedeng lumabas din ang iyong zodiac sign dito. Now we have Taurus, Virgo, Leo. I am seeing Aquarius, Scorpio. I'm seeing Taurus, Leo, Scorpio. Babalikan ko tong isa. Capricorn, I'm seeing Pisces. I'm seeing Scorpio is very dominant, no? Cancer, Aries is here. Libra is here. Cancer is here. Yep, paulit-ulit tayo doon. Taurus, yep, nandito. Nasabi ko na yung Taurus and Gemini. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.